back in the days where, you know, I made a lot of money in real estate, I had a personal coach, and one of the things that he told us was that, you know, time is obviously worth money. And when you do start making a lot of money, you do look at your time differently, because you're like, wow, you break it down into what you're making per hour. And then that makes you say, you know, I can't afford to waste any time focusing on the small stuff. It really needs to be on the big stuff that makes me the actual money. And so, you know, you really do realize that the term time is money more than anything else. And so taking that away from when I changed from being a real estate agent into a tour provider, you know, I never lost sight of that. And so I worked it all the way down to even seconds. You know, I actually worked out once that if Bill Gates was walking along and dropped a $100 bill while he had his mind thinking about something he had to do that day, he should just carry on walking, not bend down and pick it up, because it cost him more money in the time it took him to bend down and pick up the $100 note than was worth the distraction of actually doing it, based on how much money he made per second.
Yeah, I think Keith, I think we probably have that same problem, right? We just leave that $100 bill on the.
I think that applies a little differently to us mere mortals. You drop a $100 bill, you do bend down and you do pick it back up. But you know, the point of that obviously is time management, because time is money.